All right guys, back again for our final recipe. We're gonna teach y'all how to make a healthy stir fry. So like all of the other ones, we're gonna start off putting some olive oil onto the pan so that nothing's sticking to that. Once Alex does that, I'm gonna take the ground turkey and we'll go ahead and put it into the pan and start cooking it up. So we'll sprinkle on salt and pepper onto that. We'll break it all up, get everything get the ground turkey almost finished, and then we'll add in the broccoli and carrots as well as the soy sauce. So the ground turkey is almost cooked, so we're gonna go ahead and add our broccoli and carrots into the stir fry bowl there. And then from there, we're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce and mix it all up. We'll throw a cover over the top and let it steam out to finish. Action. All right, it is complete. We got our ground turkey, carrot, broccoli, stir fry, a little bit of soy sauce on that, and that completes recipe number 5. So, alright guys, so that's a wrap. Those are our 5 favorite recipes. We started off with tacos, we went to burgers, we had spaghetti, we had a
shrimp and grits,
and a stir fry. So we hope you like these, we hope you enjoy them. Let us know what you think, and we will be bringing y'all tons and tons of healthy and amazing recipes coming soon. So talk with you soon.